Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the B sound. Can you make the B sound? Follow these steps. First, press your lips tightly together, like this. Next, push your lips open quickly while making a sound in your throat. Try it with me. Are you ready? B. B. Now let's practice a few words with the B sound. Listen and repeat after me. Are you ready? Boat. Rabbit. Cube. The B sound can be spelled with the letter B as in boat, BB as in rabbit, or BE as in cube. Great job. Well done. Ellii.